so excited for people to see it because I think, one, it captures the beauty of the campus, but more importantly, it captures the heart and soul of the campus, which is our scholars. And so the opportunity to hear their stories, their journeys, their experiences was absolutely amazing. And so I'm excited for people to hear not only their stories, but to realize that that is the stories of all the scholars that come to our campus. So I'm excited. I think it was amazing, and a huge shout out not only to our students, but obviously the crew that helped put all of this together, because it was a great way for us to showcase all that is good and happening here at UC Merced.